Maligayang kaarawan sa aking kapatid na si Bea Pitoy. Yan. Guys, today is the birth... May message ba kayo kay Bea? Anyone? Ayan, no? Josh, may message ka ba kay Bea? Today is birthday. How about you, Dean? Kids, baka nanonood si Bea ngayon. Maligayang kaarawan sa aking minamahal na kapatid. Good health and more blessings to come. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Bea. I wish you all the best in life. Good health. I wish you all the best in life, good health, and more blessings to come. Bigyan ka pa ng kalakasan ni Lord. Happy birthday to my sister Bea Pitoy. Today is the birthday today of my youngest sister. Again, to my sister, Doc Bea Pitoy, happy birthday, and I wish you all the best in life, good health, and more blessings to come. Happy birthday. Hes, may message ka ba kay Tita Bea mo? Baka nanonood siya ngayon. Thank you. How about you, Garrett? See, do you have message? Message for Nina Bea. And how about you? How about you, Garrett? To live. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.